Not something you see a lot of here in North Carolina. Snow, sleet, rain. I had to clear off the tarps twice because it was heavy. But if this is typical North Carolina, it will melt off in a day or two. But we'll have to see how it goes. Let's take a peek over here. We've got a little bird, seeing what seeds you can get. These are our babies. Hi, babies! That I picked up at the auction. This is their quarantine area. Bantam cochins, bobtails, and some silkies. Is Sheep's Loft, my pigeon house. Look at this guy. This is I forget what this little plant shrub tree is called. It's been blooming. Hi, horses. How we doing? Huh? Yep. I'll be over to feed you in a minute. Yep. That's our video for today. Snow in North Carolina. Have a great day. Bye.